This is a 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, chrome wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a power passenger seat, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Henry Brown Buick GMC is located at 1550 East Drivers Way in Gilbert. Family owned and operated, offering every customer a premier experience. Cars and trucks and trades are worth more at Henry Brown Car and Truck Store.